guys, my name is Sissy Vicky and you're welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want you to please like this video, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe. In case you're looking at my ponytail and you're liking it, I'll put the link on the description space below so you can see how I make this beautiful ponytail. It's very simple. I'm going to put the link down there. So guys, this is a eyelash tutorial video. I'm going to show you how I fix my eyelash. I'm actually the kind of person who has this watery eye. When somebody touched my eye and it's messed up, and water and the eyelashes is spots, the glue, everything is just messed up. So I figured I really need to fix eyelash to make my makeup look beautiful, to make me look beautiful. So I said to myself I will try this one day, and I tried it and it really worked out. The eyelash wasn't spot, everything was well laid, everything was perfect the way I really wanted it to be. And then, so guys, I know there's some people out there who are scared of fixing eyelash. Is not something you should be scared of. It's just, you can learn it, you can learn to fix it on yourself, and that's what this video is all about. So guys, I'm going to show you how I make my eyelash. So for this tutorial eyelash, I'm using my eyelash. This is really not my eyelash, I just got this one now, so I'll be using it, and it's short. So it's short, and then I'm using my mirror, and then my wand. I have a tweezer here. I have a tweezer, and then I have mascara, and then of course my eyelash glue. So that's what this video entails. That's the material we are going to be using for this video. So before I will start, I like laying down my eyelashes perfectly. I want everything to be perfect because some are scattered, so I would like to lay them well, so I will know how to place my eyelash on top of it. So I'll just place these things. I'll make them straight, I'll make them equal. Okay, I'm going to do the same for the other eyes. The reason why I use my mascara is because when I place my eyelash, I don't want, when I open my eyes, people can figure out that, oh, this girl, she's fixing an eyelash. So the reason why I lay down everything is just to blend my eyelash with my natural eyelash with the artificial eyelash, then just make everything look as if it's one natural thing though. So that's the main reason I'm using my mascara. So guys, I've done that already. I'm just going to leave it to dry. Then, so I have my lashes here. I'm going to use my tweezer to remove it, and then I'm going to put my glue on it. So this is the eyelash. It's not long, it's short. For some people, they like cutting the edges depending on what you like. For me, I don't like cutting my edges of my eyelash. I think this is a perfect shade of mine. So I'm just going to put my glue. This one you can remove it. I'm going to remove this after this tutorial video. I don't really like keeping eyelash for long. I don't really fancy it though, but I like fixing it on people. So I'm just going to apply my glue to it. Okay, don't add much so it won't mess up the whole eye area. So I'm just going to add a little of it. Okay, I don't know if you can see it very well. I added at the top, and I just little at the corner there. So for you to achieve a better eyelash, well fixed and well laid, you want to allow this thing to dry a little. Not dry like it should be sticky. So I'm just going to blow this thing, and then I'm going to lay it on my eyelash. I'm loving my hair. So guys, I think it's okay like this. Then I'm just going to lay this on my, please, we are not putting it, we are just laying it on the lashes, on the eyelashes, on top of the eyelash. That's where we're laying it, not here. but here. So please look very very well. It's very tricky sometimes, but it's very very simple. Just look at the way I'll lay this thing now. Okay, it's a very very serious moment, so I don't want to ruin my eyelash, so I'm just going to just watch what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to apply little to it, and then it's very simple. It's not something you should be afraid of. Very very simple. In my eyelash on my face, I don't really like people touching my face for eyelash. I do my eyelash myself because I'm very very conscious of my eye. Okay, so this has dry. I'm just going to place it on top of my eyelash. Okay, okay, so I'm just going to leave it like this. When it's dry, I'm going to press it so everything looks blended. So I'm going to move into the other eye. I'm going to do the same for the other eye. I'm going to use my tweezer in applying my to apply the bone to the eyelash, the glue to the eyelash, sorry. All right, not much, just something small. And if you want to keep this for a little longer, you can use your your tweezer and just add a little bit glue to it, and then you press it very hard. That can last you for some time, but because I'm going to remove this now, I really don't fit eyelash for long, so I don't do something serious at the end of the day I cannot remove. So I'll just allow this thing dry a little bit so it stick perfectly, and then I'm going to place it on top of my eyelash. If you can see very well, you won't find my natural eyelash. You won't see it because it's perfectly blended with the artificial one. You can't see it. That's the reason why you need to use your mascara. So I'm just going to put this now. Sorry, I want you to see. Don't close your eye, just close it small so you see the lashes, your natural lashes. Okay, so it's very very simple, it's not difficult. So please watch carefully. I'm not closing my eye like tight like this. I'm just a little bit so I can see my eyelash. So guys, I'm just going to allow this thing to dry. Then when it's a little bit dry, I'm going to press it so it can stand, can blend well. So guys, you see, it's not difficult, it's not something you should be scared of. But me, I don't just like it when people try to fix eyelash for me, because I'm very very conscious about my eye. I'm so scared, so I don't really do that. So it's either I don't put eyelash and just make my makeup like that, or I do it myself. So this one is dried. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to press this. Pressing it, I'll just put my hand inside my eye like this, and then, you know, close my eyes against my hand. This is to press it and to make it lay well. This one is not dried yet, so I'm just going to leave this one a little bit. And then I'm going to press it. If there is bond, you can allow it to dry, then you remove it. But if you are doing it on a client, please be careful, so you don't want to make that area red, so you just be careful. And because I don't add much bond to it, is so I fix my eyelash on a normal day. Look at the way I'm looking so pretty. So any normal person, makeup artist or no makeup artist, you can fix your eyelash by yourself, either the magnetic or using the eyelashes glue for it. So guys, it's very, very simple fixing eyelash. So I've done my own. On the norms, I do this in less than 5 minutes. I'm done with my eyelash, and then I'm looking so perfect. If you want the longer one, you can get the longer one, but this is the shortest. I like something natural, not so. So guys, please, I want you to like this video, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. You can just add a little lipstick so you can look slay. So guys, this is the outcome. So you see, it's not very, very difficult. It's something simple. In less than 5 minutes, 3 minutes, you will be done, and you'll be looking so beautiful. Please, for my hair, I'm going to put the link below, so you can go and watch how I make this beautiful ponytail. It's very, very beautiful, and it's very simple as well. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to catch you on my next video. Bye guys.